Today I'm gonna talk about what I learned today. Sure, I didn't learn something that new. So, but the thing is that what I learned was, hold on, how tree shaking works. So I tried to implement tree shaking via Acorn and Acorn walk, and the thing is that I don't know what to do. I don't know how to make a dependency graph based on that, and I literally had no idea. And so I was wondering what the other like bundlers do to implement tree shaking, especially. But the I cannot see the tree shaking feature on the web app because that was really complicated. But when I see the roll up, the interesting thing is that when it trying to make a AST and it just make their own module of specific file. Example, array patterns. If it is array pattern and make it into node, it just so every. I mean, there's a lot of there's a for of statement and for a lot of function declaration, function expression and identifier in the JavaScript. Like there's a lot of it, and the lot of make whole thing of it, whole module to wrap it, and that was really interesting. And but the thing is that do I have to make it like that? Doesn't necessary. I just want to understand how tree shaking works, but this to make this code is really time wasting. I think I'm like there's it's not worth it because if I try to understand what tree shaking, I can if I also able to implement it, how can I use it in the real application like web application like React? But since they're the bundle already doing the tree shaking, there's it just I think it's kind of waste of time. But more interesting is that uh, I try to ask ChatGPT to implement tree shaking, but later think, but it really does implement it. So I think I'm gonna use this code to implement tree shaking feature. So yeah, this is clearly interesting. So ChatGPT making tree shaking feature without thinking it, or without me to think it. So I never think about this kind of code. This is really interesting. Yeah. So yeah, this is it. Tomorrow I was retired today, so tomorrow we're gonna be different. So okay, bye bye.